Hello friends! In today's video, we are going to talk about DKLAC Paint Remover. This paint remover is perfect for those who want to remove old paint. I bought it for 90 Indian rupees, while its MRP is 115 Indian rupees for 250 milliliters. So, let's check out its features and how to use it. Here are some old paint stains that we are going to remove. Now, I will apply paint remover evenly on each part with the help of a brush. Make sure to spread it well so that it reaches every corner. Its unique formula helps to easily remove paint from any surface, be it wood, metal, or plastic. It's easy to use, but be aware, it has a strong smell, so keeping the windows open is essential. When using the paint remover, it's important to wear gloves and a mask as you are working with chemicals. This helps to avoid skin irritation and fumes. Always work in a well-ventilated area. While applying it, make sure all the stains are well covered. I am applying it slowly and carefully to ensure deep penetration of the paint remover. This method helps to dissolve the paint quickly and effectively. This paint remover will work gradually, so we'll leave it for 3 to 4 minutes to react with the old paint. Make sure to spread it well so that it reaches every corner. Ensure all the stains are well covered. Remember that this paint remover should not touch your skin. So, while applying it, make sure to use gloves to protect your hands. After 3 to 4 minutes, you'll notice that the texture of the paint starts to change and becomes a little soft. Now we're going to scrape it off. I have a scraper here. You can buy this useful tool at any paint shop for 10 to 20 Indian rupees. For scraping, I will use it slowly and carefully. First, I'll make sure that the paint remover has dissolved the old paint properly. Look, as soon as I move the scraper, the old paint is coming off so easily. I am doing it gently to avoid leaving any marks on the surface. Here, you can see how quickly the old paint is coming off. Look at this. This is the old paint. When using a scraper, make sure it doesn't come into contact with your skin or any sensitive areas. If paint remover does get on your skin, wash it off immediately with water. As you've seen, it is so effective in removing old paint. The old paint has come off easily. If you're also struggling with old paint stains at home, be sure to try this paint remover. If you like this video, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see more videos like this. We will continue bringing new and informative content for you. We also need your feedback, so do let us know in the comments how you like this video and what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. Your support is very important to us, so stay connected and succeed in your DIY projects. Thank you.